What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to take the rear bar off on the Odyssey 2010. So you got 3 Phillips screws on each side of the rear liner and 2 10mm screws on each side of the rear bar. So you got clips on those 10mm. So I'm just using the clip opener to take the clips off. You can use either a flathead screwdriver or clip opener, but I prefer clip opener because it's easy to pop off the clips in it. So that's all. Now I'm gonna use the clip opener to pop the stuff out to get access to the 10mm, and then you can use whatever 10mm socket or with the drill. And just the left side, as I said before, you got 3 Phillips screws here as well. I'm gonna use drill for the top 2, but the bottom one is hard, so I'm gonna use a small Phillips screwdriver. And underneath this cover you got 5 clips, so again I'm gonna use a clip opener to take those off. That's all. Now I'm gonna show you the Hyperlapse video to take the rear bar off. So up to the Hyperlapse now.